the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It's a beautiful day here in Calgary, and I just checked Facebook, and a few of the BMW enthusiasts of Alberta are gonna get together for a little social distancing cruise, get together, whatever you're gonna call it. I figured since it was such a gorgeous day that I'd go out with the X1 and check it out. We'll make sure we follow all of the rules, all the bylaws, and stay our 2 meters apart and just make sure we're all safe. First thing we gotta do though is we gotta go wash the X1 because it is filthy from all the grime and crap that's been on the road. So let's get to the car wash first. Hopefully it's not going to be too busy, and then we can head off to Cross Iron Mills and see who is all going to show up. We've made it to Cross Iron. Social distancing is being respected. The cruise is for 12 o'clock. It's about 10 minutes to 12. We'll just wait for whoever else is gonna show up. I already see some familiar faces. Well, we got a pretty good turnout so far. That color is friggin' awesome. And we got Jen and Chris, Jacob. Check out this M3 carbon hood. That's stanced perfectly. Sparkle seats, harness, carbon trunk. There's the man stick. Very sick. What do you guys think of this M3? Dog vlog.
You know, I mean, you got a nice stance, nice wheels, you got bigger pipes. That's all you need. The car as it sits.
What do you guys think? Connor's M3. He took us for a rip in this M3 just after he got it, and man, it's supercharged, and this thing freaking hauls. The wheels, these wheels are absolutely gorgeous. What do you guys think? Drop a comment what you guys think. Would you take the E90 M3 or would you take that one? Or the F80 M3? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which one would you take? There's the heart of the beast. Supercharged V8.
I don't know, I haven't driven.
Like I said, he took us for a rip right after he bought it, and it freaking hauls. 12:15, and we're heading out of here. This is what I like. You make a plan, you make a schedule, and you stick to it. Let's get out of here and go for a little bit of a cruise. That is so sick. On the other hand, we've kind of lost the rest of the BMW crew. I got stuck at a light turning onto Deerfoot and lost all the BMW clan.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma.
As you guys can tell, we have caught up to the pack. They were actually going slow enough that I didn't have to speed or break the laws to catch up to them. They just let everybody catch up and get together in a group, which is absolutely incredible. So for those leading the pack, Thank you. I appreciate that.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. Ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been comma and a comma.
Not gonna lie, this is probably why I'm so excited that I brought the X1 and not Quinn, because mud puddles. Man says, talk about views on views. What a beautiful day for a drive. It is absolutely gorgeous out here, but the popo are in full effect. I had to stop off on the side of the road and go for a bathroom break. Probably shouldn't have drank that coffee, but that's okay. It was a good cruise. The guys kept going, so we'll just let them go and I'll slowly make our way back into town. But drop a comment, let me know what you guys thought of today's social distancing cruise. Thanks to every one of you guys that organized it and made it happen. It was really cool. It was great to finally get out and see some car people and do some car things.
Play it on.
Back home at the HQ headquarters. It's a good drive. X1 did really good. I don't have to worry about bumps, dirt, or none of that stuff. It's great. A lot of people ask me why I didn't take Quinn and bring the car out today, and besides all the rocks and crap on the road, there's actually a problem with the airlift manifold. I'll cover that in another vlog, but we couldn't have taken it out. It's stuck here on the quick jacks until that gets resolved. But I hope you guys are out enjoying the beautiful weather. I hope you have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.